Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the comments on YouTube when you're using your phone. So if you don't have this application, you want to go ahead and get the YT Studio application. So go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store right here, and then go down to search and just type in where it says search YT Studio, and then get this application right here and then open it up. And this will allow you to edit your videos. So sign in with your YouTube account now and go to the dashboard, and you can see your videos under here, the latest published. Go to content, and you can scroll on down, go to the video that you're having an issue with, select it, then go to the crayon option on the top to edit right next to the little arrow. Then we're going to be brought to this page where we can change the title, description, visibility, audience, etc. And we want to go to more options on the bottom where it says tags, short remixing, categories, etc. Select this. Now there's going to be an option for comments. Select that. And then we can just simply go to off, and we can turn off the comments right there. And then we can go back and we can see comments are turned off now. And we can go back to the video now. And if we select it, they should be completely turned off. So let's save it here. Save the changes, and we should be good to go now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.